How to transfer Web3 wallet to exchange in Binance. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Binance wallet to the exchange section. Step by step, let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your device. Once you're inside the app, go to the Assets tab. It's located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now make sure you're in the exchange section. From here, tap on the Add Funds button. A menu will pop up. Choose On-Chain Deposit from the list. Here, on the deposit page, search for and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive from your wallet. In my case, I'll be using USDT. After selecting USDT, you'll need to choose a network. For this example, I'm going with the BNB Smart Chain, BEP20. Once the network is selected, copy the wallet address by tapping the copy icon. Now that you've copied the address, hit the back arrow to return to the main screen. Next, tap on the Wallet tab to access your wallet section. Once you're in the wallet view, go back to Assets under the wallet. Now locate the cryptocurrency you want to send. In this case, it's USDT again. Scroll down if needed, and once you find it, select USDT. Before proceeding, make sure that the network you choose here matches the one you copied earlier. So if you copied a BNB Smart Chain address, select that same network here. If you're using another network like Solana, SOL, or Ethereum, ERC20, swipe through the options and pick the correct one. Since I'm using the BNB network, I'll go ahead and select it, then tap on Send. On the next screen, you'll be asked to paste the address you copied earlier from the exchange section. Paste the address, then tap Continue. At this point, you can either tap Max to send your entire balance or manually enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Once you've set the amount, tap Continue again. Your selected cryptocurrency will now be transferred from your wallet to the exchange section in Binance.